How to fix Ingress timeout problem on Instagram app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is very simple and easy. Open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. Go to the apps right here. Now you have to wait a few seconds. It will start loading the apps that you have on your phone. So after that, scroll until you find Instagram, and when you find it, click on it like this. Click here on this option here in the top, and then go down to the open by default option. Click on the open supported links on this app and then choose always allow. Now go back, click on the power usage details, click on the app launch and then disable this manage automatically. Click OK, click on storage, click on clear data, clear cache, and that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching the video.